Top 5 Foods to Quickly Gain Muscle and Weight. Hey everyone, welcome back to Nourish Nation, where we explore everything about nutrition and fitness. If you're looking to pack on muscle and gain weight quickly, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 foods that can help you achieve your goals efficiently. Let's get started. Food number 1. Chicken breast. First up, we have chicken breast. Chicken breast is a fantastic source of high-quality protein, which is crucial for muscle growth. It's low in fat and packed with essential amino acids that help in muscle repair and development. Plus, it's incredibly versatile and easy to cook. Aim for about 3 to 4 ounces per meal to meet your protein needs. Next on our list is quinoa. This superfood is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also high in complex carbohydrates, which provide long-lasting energy and aid in muscle recovery. A serving of quinoa can be a great addition to your post-workout meals. Food number 3. Greek yogurt. Our third pick is Greek yogurt. Packed with protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt supports muscle growth and gut health. It's also rich in calcium, which is important for muscle function. Try incorporating it into your breakfast or as a snack with some fruit and nuts for an extra boost. Food number 4. Lean beef. Number 4 is lean beef. Beef is another excellent source of protein, iron, and B vitamins, all of which are vital for muscle growth and overall energy. Opt for lean cuts to avoid excess fat and try to include it in your diet a few times a week for maximum benefit. Food 5. Sweet potatoes. Last but not least, we have sweet potatoes. They are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates which help replenish glycogen stores and provide sustained energy for your workouts. They're also rich in vitamins and minerals that support overall health. So there you have it. Our top 5 foods to quickly gain muscle and weight. Remember, while these foods are great, they should be part of a balanced diet and a consistent workout routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Nourish Nation for more tips and tricks on nutrition and fitness. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep nourishing your body and stay strong.